person in that group.
Hindi ya monanio mauhuthiri wa mutaratara mweru wa gukinyaniria mathomo kuri arutwo thukuruini wa Embu University, arutwo matariirie uria magite na mweke wa kuhota guthoma mathomo matiganite na njira ya raithi. Mubango uyu ukinyanirio ni gikundi kia Mozilla Foundation kuri atongoria matariirie thengia na arutwo guthoma mathomo ma kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu. Mubango uyu ni uramahotithia guthundura maundu matiganite.
The responsible computing challenge is supporting students to think holistically about building technology, so that instead of only technical skills, they're able to implement ethical, social-cultural, as well as legal practices in their creation and innovation.
Arutwo hamwe noguo ni matugitwo na indo cia guthoma iria ni hamwe na laptops odo mwe na thimu. Urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu ukiuga arutwo ni mekuhota gukinyaniria iroto ciao.
And the aim was to help the students develop projects that are real world, that will actually cater to the general population and that are considered responsible.
We started with 208 students, second year students, who are taking system analysis and design. We trained them on critical thinking, design thinking, and responsible computing.
Hamwe noguo arutwo ni moritio gwikirira kio mathomo-ini na oho guthundura maundu matiganite maria mangi mateithiriria kwiyandika mawira matiriha mathomo ma university ithenya-ini ria kwihoka kwandikwa mawira ma wabici.
So I hope the coding it will be better using that laptop that I got from this project.
I would like to innovate more. I know more about this project and ensure that our project will be considered in a while in this country.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.